issue is it's dirty and it looks this way, and well, I mean, the rest of the trailer don't look like that. Why this got to. So what we want to do is just keep this away from your foods and stuff. You're gonna get this Weiman Glass Cooktop Cleaner and pot. I mean, look at there. It's got a picture of the same damn stove. They just took this and stuck it down here, which might, I don't know if that's a good idea. Anyway, and it says heavy duty. It's right there. It's right fucking removes burned on food, which is what this is. Directions say recommended for, look, it says GE Whirlpool frigid air. I don't know why you would call something that's gonna get that damn hot frigid. Anyway, so caution, keep out of the reach of your children, blah blah blah. What's it say? Directions, allow surface to cool. That's the hot surface light, and it is off. Alright. Shake well. Let's clean off the debris. You apply it just like wax to a car. You're gonna put it on, let it dry, and take it off. So what I like to do is I'll shake it up good, and I just squeeze it on there. Yeah, make sure you get a lot. Alright. Pew 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 pew. Alright, here we go. Start in the middle. Or a corner, I don't know. Doesn't really matter where you start. Just start. So we're gonna start at the dirtiest spot. We're gonna just put this on like wax. Put this on like wax. Putting it on, putting it on, putting it on. The poo out of your house, they just leave it up in there. Now I'm guilty as charged, because I be turning my fan on too. Alright, so now I'm just like, leave that dry and shut it. While this is dry, you see how it's turning white? If you've ever waxed a car or seen a car get waxed, you leave this on there until it turns really, really white and crusty. Start to wipe it off. And it's going to get most everything off. I don't know how he does this. Take care of him. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a designated razor blade. We're just going to get some Weiman, or Weiman, however you say it. Get some of that stuff right there and put it on your damn stovetop every time you spill something, for you fuck shit up.